It's just been a massive learning curve. We've had some mega disasters along the way, I'm not going to lie.
Perfect.
There's no kind of handbook to making vinegar. There's no, if you want to make beer, for example, there's lots of information online about it. There's nothing about vinegar. So we've had to learn as we go, but it's just kind of logic, really. The idea was conceived when I was working at Barony Mill as the miller there, and I was malting the grain for the use of whiskey and beer, and I just wanted to do something slightly different with it. So decided to take the alcohol and ferment it on into acid, into acetobacter, giving you vinegar. It's back into my previous life as a chef, and I use vinegar as a seasoning in lots of sauces, and just in replace of kind of imported citrus fruits. It makes sense to me to use something local instead of taking something from, Spain or somewhere in Europe, for example. It's the same idea of acidity as citrus. We use what's called the generator method, and it's basically circulating alcohol over some stones called zeolites that are holding the mother of vinegar, and it clarifies at the same time as well. It takes roughly a month to convert, but it has no impact on the flavour. There is some modern processes of converting alcohol into vinegar that makes the vinegar taste too raw, and not kind of rounded or any depth of flavour, but we don't have that problem. And also we age in the wooden casks for up to about a year in some instances, so it takes on the flavour from the wood as well. It's all kind of alchemy. A massive response, particularly amongst chefs. They're looking for something new and innovative and kind of hyper local as well. So they're not looking to the balsamics of Italy or Spain or anything like that. They want something homegrown. So I think there's a particular interest in Orkney ingredients as well, and we use that. We're quite committed to using only Orkney. Orkney Food and Drink have been amazing for us. We've done a few shows with them so far, and that's generated a lot of business, and it's good to be a part of the Orkney producers scene, definitely. It's helped us no end.